Here is my dad. So he's the eldest of the family, and this boy is the youngest, who is मेरे को याद भी नहीं था ये मेरा ही बेटा है.
Hi Sid, today we're going to show you a bunch of your photographs and memories, and you have to tell us the stories behind it.
The first one is this one. ये मेरी nursery की picture है. I was, I think, in nursery जो A1A or something, and I remember very clearly ये हम लोग का इस time पे was the sports day, which is why I have the yellow वाली t-shirt on, and this used to be my favorite scooter back in the day. I think my love for cars and bikes is from here. I don't know why I have the frown, लेकिन तब से बस it's been a good ride till now. So this is probably the first time that I took my wife to a racetrack. This was, I think, last year during Ramadan. हम लोग का इफ्तार था at Yas circuit with the Range Rover. And वहाँ पे they were setting the lap record, and we were just there in time. This is basically for my younger son. He's a big fan of Tiger Shroff, and when Akshay and Tiger were here for the promotion of Bade Miyan Chote Miyan, so I was the only one who was there back in the day when I was a jock to take the interview. So this one I took specially so that I could get a picture with Tiger Shroff, and I could show it to my younger self, my younger son. If you guys love animals, so this is one place that you should be going to. It's a place called Pygmy Zoo. Not many people know about it, especially Dubai वालों को, Abu Dhabi वालों को. It's in Ajman. छोटा सा zoo है, बहुत छोटा सा. And वहाँ पे this is the only zoo जहाँ पे vulture भी है, which you don't get to see anywhere. And the vulture is the size of, I would say, a hathi. But it's huge. This is my 10th ke boards ki shakal with my dad. The reason I'm wearing those very cool looking green wale pajame is because those were the in thing, and वो बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों को अच्छे लगते थे. In retrospect, फटेहाल थे. But this was probably the first time I had a full beard, and this is my 10th standard ka. So yeah, this was in our old house back in Patel Nagar in Delhi. This is the boy जिसके लिए मैं वो Tiger Shroff वाली जो photo थी वो मैं लेकर आ रहा था. He loves Tiger Shroff and he loves football. Two things that he's totally into. And this is one of those matches जिसमें इसको Man of the Match का award मिला था, the MVP, Most Valuable Player का award मिला था. Pretty impressive, and was one of those days जब I, as a father, was really proud. So yeah, this is my birthday. This gentleman out here is my dada. This is my elder sister. That पीछे is my chacha, and this is me. And ये वाला जो set था, कॉर्ड सेट्स आप लोगों ने आजकल पहनना शुरू किया होगा. I've been doing that since the last 50 years. But I think this is my 4th or my 5th birthday. और मेरे दादाजी को बहुत ज़्यादा शौक था कि हर बर्थडे पे सबको वो घर बुलाते थे, पूरी की पूरी फैमिली को, and we used to have a dawat at home. So this is my 3rd birthday or the 4th birthday, I'm not very sure. That's mom. And this one, I think it is in, if I'm not mistaken, in gazebo that we shot. And this is after my dad passing away. This was the first time that she had come down to Dubai, and she was just, enjoying herself after a very, very long time. So this is one of those photographs which just calms you down. This one is from last year. Once a year we plan to have a family trip. This is the one that we went to, obviously, Paris with, and इसके अंदर the cool thing was कि मेरी wife actually में रोना शुरू हो गई थी जब उसने first time Eiffel Tower देखा, because it was like overwhelming for her. क्योंकि आज तक हमने सिर्फ वो फोटो के अंदर में देखा है मिडिल क्लास मेंटालिटी, तो जब उसने एक्चुअली में देखा कि आईफिल टावर सामने साक्षात, तो इट वॉज लाइक वो, एंड टीयर्स वर रोलिंग डाउन. शादी तक पे नहीं रोई थी वो, बट इसको देख के रोई. सो या, दिस इज लास्ट ईयर. दिस वॉज द इवेंट जहाँ पे शी वॉज एक्चुअली टॉकिंग अबाउट, आई थिंक, her love for chamak chhallo or something like that. And I don't know why I'm making that expression. उस time पे मैं क्या सोच रहा था. But it looks like she was singing a song and I'm just going like this. But that's not the case. To be very honest, she was talking about Malabar Golden Diamonds. But I was just in my own धुन की, as always. Okay, so a funny thing about this one. If you look closely, तो मेरे जो कपड़े हैं, it's actually a hot dog suit. This was one of those days जब I was given the opportunity to become a hot dog and just go around town. I think this was in Sheikh Zayed Road somewhere, near to World Trade Center. And वहाँ पे I have just finished and we are on our way back. But उससे पहले this was the photograph which was taken. So yeah, this I think was कोविड से पहले, तभी इतनी ज़्यादा बड़ी बड़ी हंसी आई हुई है. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ दोज टाइम्स जब कैमरा रोल्स आया करते थे. दिस इज़ नॉट डिजिटल. 36 की एक रील हुआ करती थी जिसमें से मैक्स टू मैक्स 24 या 25 ठीक ठाक फोटोग्राफ्स आया करती थी. एंड अगर फ़ोटो ठीक आती थी तो बंदे ठीक नहीं आते थे. केस इन पॉइंट इज़ दिस बॉय आउट हियर. इसको लगता था कि ये एकदम अमिताभ बच्चन का बेटा है, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली यहाँ पे चूसा हुआ आम लगता है. These two are my cousins, my cousin and his wife. This is in Mussoorie, by the way. I went for off-roading, and वो जो पीछे gentleman, the one who's standing there, he's the one who actually helped me out, take out my car. This was 2018 के अंदर, and it was our first winter season. और मेरे को मालूम नहीं था कि टायर प्रेशर कम करना होता है जब we are going into the desert. I found out the hard way. So पूरा का पूरा जो आप देखते हैं इसके ऊपर जितना मिट्टी गिरी हुई है, दैट इज़ फ्रॉम द टायर्स जो फेंकी गई है. इट्स नॉट दैट वी हैड अ सैंडस्टॉर्म और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. एंड ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन दलजीत पाजी वाज देयर तो पंजाबी आ गए ओए. वी ड्रेस्ड अप लाइक दलजीत सिंह एंड वी मेड श्योर कि वी मेक अ नॉइज एंड वी वेंट देयर, हैड फन, एंड इट वाज अ गुड नाइट. Had a lot of fun. This is probably my youngest photo जो मेरे को याद है. This is a photograph at, I would say, India Gate या बुद्ध जयंती पार्क. If you're from Delhi, you know. मैं यहाँ पे ऐसा बोतल के साथ में क्यों खड़ा हुआ हूँ is something I have no idea about, but I do remember कि इस फोटोग्राफ के बाद में मेरी माँ बोतल को ऐसे फेंकी और मेरे को ऐसे करके उठाई. And I don't know what happened there because I was very, very small, as you can see. But now I know. I think I would have done the same thing. Oh, so this is the photograph of Vora Boys, if I can say so. This is my entire boy gang, Vora Khandan ka. So this was taken before my second son was born. But it is... Here is my dad. So he's the eldest of the family. And this boy is the youngest, who is... Actually, मेरे को याद भी नहीं था. ये मेरा ही बेटा है. ले लो. मेरे को अभी तक लग रहा है ये इसका बेटा है. Then I realized, अरे नहीं, ये तो मेरा वाला है. ऐसे कैसे? Oh yeah. This is 11 years back का bro. Okay, yeah. So this is. I'm like thinking कि इसका नहीं, ये नहीं, इसका बहुत बड़ा है, उसका बहुत छोटा है, तो ये तो फिर मेरा हुआ. Yeah. I'm just calculating it out. So 11 years back. I mean, yeah. Okay. Again, a first with mom at Miracle Garden. This is the first time that she went to Miracle Garden and उनको पसीना बहुत आता है. एंड दिस वाज, हम लोग उनको लेके गए थे दिखाने के लिए कि देखो दुबई के अंदर कितनी रौनक है, कितना अच्छा होता है, कितना ज़्यादा रेगिस्तान के अंदर इतना सब कुछ वो लोग कर रहे हैं. एंड द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट शी सेड, जैसे ही वो बाहर निकली, पसीना बहुत आ रहा है, आई वांट टू गो बैक. सो वी जस्ट फिनिश्ड इट ऑफ क्विकली एंड देन वी रश्ड बैक होम. बट दिस इज एट मिरेकल गार्डन विद मॉम. यू रिमेंबर दैट फोटोग्राफ जो सबसे पहले देखी थी जिसमें स्कूटर था? This is the same day. This is exactly the same day where we just finished off sports day अपना स्कूल के अंदर, एंड उसके बाद I've come back home, स्कूटर के ऊपर मैं बैठ के फोटोग्राफ खींचा हूँ. This is that one. So the same one at Playhouse. Again, one of those journeys जिसके लिए I'm completely grateful. Got to meet a lot of personalities, a lot across the board, I would say. So right from celebs to actors to singers to chefs, you say it and it's done. So completely grateful. This was one of those days jab we actually had Chef Sanjeev Kapoor tell us कि मैं रेनबो से भी आपके लिए मिठाइयाँ बना सकता हूँ. एंड इट was till then I had no idea. मैं सिर्फ रेनबो मिल्क ऐसे ही खाया करता था, अच्छा लगता था, मिल्क मेड की याद आती थी मेरे को. But this was one of those days that we could have done. We actually did that. And Mithun, the gentleman here, he is the content director of 96.7 Hit FM. So he and I were hosting Chef here, and it was a complete riot. मतलब literally Gises में in Lulu it was happening, और नीचे we had to barricade it out क्योंकि इतना ज़्यादा rush हो गया था. It was madness, complete madness. Alright जी, so that's a wrap, and really thank you Mashable Middle East for ये सारी की सारी पुरानी वाली जितनी memories हैं, bringing it back. It actually brings back a lot of memories, and my favorite one in this whole thing would probably be